Hello everyone, welcome to the Bailiwick Academy. I'm James Magos, aka Jimbo de Panadero. For this class, I'm gonna teach you how to make bizcocho. Itong gagawin natin is bizcocho de Iloilo. Ang pinaka-special dito is meron siyang condensed milk dun sa pampahid.